New to woodworking and not sure which power tools you actually need? In this video, I'll show you 15 must-have woodworking power tools for beginners in 2026. Simple, affordable, and beginner-friendly. All links are in the description. Subscribe to our channel for more woodworking tips. Every job begins with a moment of trust. You reach for a bit, pull the trigger, and expect precision. This is where the DEWALT Impact-Ready FlexTorq set earns its place. CNC machine tips bite cleanly. The FlexTorq zone-absorbed shock. Magnetic control steadies the screw. No cam out. No wasted motion. Clear storage, quick change access. Built for electricians, HVAC techs, carpenters, and anyone who works fast and expects durability. This isn't about hype. It's about rhythm, reliability, and getting drive right. Power doesn't always announce itself with size. Sometimes it shows up balanced, controlled, and relentless. The Milwaukee Electric M12 Fuel 1/2 hammer drill driver is built for that reality. A brushless motor pushes through dense material. Speed stays consistent under load. At 2.6 pounds, it lives on your belt, not in your hands. An all-metal chuck locks in confidence. The mechanical clutch keeps every fastener honest. This is precision momentum, made for long days and serious work. No noise, just forward progress. Control is the difference between rough and refined. The DEWALT 20V MAX XR Compact Fixed Base Router is built around that idea. Brushless power stays smooth as edges sharpen and profiles take shape. The compact body lowers fatigue and raises confidence. Depth adjustments feel deliberate, repeatable. No cord dragging, no hesitation. Just clean passes and quiet authority. For cabinetry, trim, and detail work, this router doesn't rush the craft. It respects it, letting precision lead every cut with total control. Straight cuts aren't about luck. They're about control. The IRWIN Plunge cut circular saw with track rail turns raw panels into measured outcomes. A 10-amp motor drives a 6.5-inch blade, plunging clean to depth, beveling confidently to 45. Twin rails stretch past 8 feet, rubber lips keeping dust and drift in check. Precision grooves ride the track without chatter. Set screws lock alignment. No wandering lines. No second guesses. Just repeatable accuracy. Curves reveal craftsmanship. The DEWALT 20V MAX XR Jig Saw moves with intent, not hesitation. A brushless motor delivers steady speed up to 3,200 strokes, stretching runtime through long layouts. Compact balance keeps your grip calm. Variable trigger and dial tune the cut. For orbital settings, shape speed versus finish. An all-metal shoe bevels cleanly from 0 to 45. LED light and dust blower keep the line visible. Tool-free blade changes happen fast. From tight scrolls to straight passes, this saw follows your hand and respects the material. Built for control, accuracy, and confident cuts when details matter most everywhere daily. Accuracy starts before the cut. It begins at the line. The Saker Woodworking Scriber ruler brings discipline to layout work. Machined from aluminum alloy, it stays light, rigid, and true. A sliding T-square meets a clear protractor, measuring length and angle in one motion. Loosen the nut, lock the angle, scribe with confidence. Laser-engraved scales stay readable in any light. From cabinetry to engineering sketches, this tool slows nothing down. It removes guesswork, clean marks, repeatable angles. Quiet precision that guides every decision before the blade ever moves for craftsmen, designers, artists, engineers, demanding consistency, accuracy, control daily in practice. Speed is nothing without control. The DEWALT 20V MAX circular saw proves that balance matters. A 5,150 revolutions per minute motor keeps cuts decisive through dense stock. The magnesium shoe stays light, rigid, and square on the line. Rubber overmold grip centers the tool in your hand, reducing drift. Bevel from 0 to 50 degrees without breaking rhythm. A 6 to 1/2 inch carbide blade handles double material cleanly at 90 or 45. Cordless freedom removes hesitation. This saw isn't about flash. It's about repeatable accuracy, job site durability, and confidence every time the blade meets wood. Built for crews who measure twice and cut once. Power on a job site isn't just speed. It's control across materials. The Evolution R10 TBLX table saw brings that balance. A 15-amp motor with soft start drives a 10-inch TCT blade through wood, aluminum, even mild steel, clean and steady. 26 inches of rip capacity handles full sheets. Bevels dial from 0 to 45 with geared precision. The rack and pinion fence locks repeatability in place. Wheels roll it in, the scissor stand snaps open, and safety systems stand ready. This is a saw built to travel, cut true, and keep pace with real work. Every day, every cut, without compromise or hesitation. Finishing is where projects are judged. The BOSCH GET75-6N refuses shortcuts. A 7.5 amp motor shifts character on demand. Random orbit for controlled refinement. Turbo mode when material needs to disappear fast. Direct drive rotation cuts like a belt sander without losing balance. Variable speed stays obedient, not jumpy. The 6-inch pad accepts almost any disc, while passive dust collection keeps the surface honest. From floors to furniture, removal to polish, this machine doesn't chase perfection loudly. It works methodically, switching gears as the surface demands. One tool, two personalities, total control. Built for crews demanding adaptability, power, control, and refined finishing. Small tools reveal big intent. The Milwaukee M4 1/4 Hex Screwdriver Kit is built for control, not noise. Compact in the hand, confident in tight spaces, it turns precision into habit. The hex drive locks bits cleanly. Power stays consistent. Balance stays natural. With 2 batteries always ready, downtime disappears. This isn't about brute force. It's about durability, ease, and repeatable accuracy where larger tools don't belong. For service work, assemblies, and detail-driven tasks, this screwdriver proves that reliability doesn't need to be loud to be respected. Accuracy isn't optional. It's foundational. The IRWIN 12-inch combination square brings discipline to every layout. A rust-proof stainless steel blade stays true, while black precision-etched scales read clean in any light. The cast zinc body adds weight where it matters, keeping the tool planted. Mark 90. Flip to 45. Transfer measurements without second-guessing. This isn't flashy equipment. It's the quiet standard behind straight cuts, square joints, and work that holds up long after the sawdust settles on real jobs. Measurement sets the pace of a project. The Lexivin 2-in-1 digital laser tape measure compresses distance and detail into one decisive tool. Laser readings reach 130 feet with single-button comm, switching units without friction. Flip to the auto-lock tape for close work, fractions displayed clearly on a backlit screen. Rubberized housing absorbs job site abuse. Magnetic hook finds 0. No fumbling, no recalculations, just fast, repeatable numbers on walls, floors, frames, so decisions happen once, confidently, before work moves forward begins. Precision often lives in the smallest tools. This 3.8-inch mini 3D multi-angle measuring square is built for decisions made before the cut. Aluminum alloy construction stays rigid, laser-engraved scales stay readable. Measure length, height, and angle without rotating your hand. 0 to 90 degrees, clean and deliberate. Hole scribing lands exactly where intended. The included carpenter pencil stays sharp, ready, reliable. Lightweight, compact, quietly exact. This is the kind of layout tool that doesn't slow the work. It sharpens it. Noise doesn't care how experienced you are. Protection does. The Elgin Ruckus wireless Bluetooth earplug headphones are built for real work environments. ANSI certified, OSHA compliant, cutting 25 decibels without cutting you off. Medical-grade silicone seals the noise. Bluetooth stays connected out to 50 feet. Calls come through clear with a noise-canceling mic. 12-hour battery lasts a full shift. IP65 means sweat, dust, rain, irrelevant. Kevlar-reinforced cable holds up. Music, podcasts, instructions, all protected. This isn't entertainment gear pretending to be safety. It's hearing protection that happens to sound good, work hard, and stay reliable when the job gets loud every single day on site. Dust doesn't belong in your vacuum. It belongs contained. The Dustopper PRO changes the workflow quietly and completely. Low-profile design drops onto a 5-gallon bucket and starts separating immediately, capturing over 99% of dust before it hits the filter. Airflow stays strong through engineered sweep elbows. Cleanup stays simple with quick-release latches and a clear top that shows what's happening inside. Dry dust, liquid spills, debris, it all gets handled without abusing your vacuum. Made in America, built thick, anti-static, grounded. This isn't an accessory. It's infrastructure for cleaner shops, longer filter life, and uninterrupted work.